morning. What the heck is wrong with y'all?
You hear that? It's Christmas, isn't it? A very special Christmas for me. Dreaming of a white Christmas. Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. It is not Saturday, it's actually Sunday. Yesterday was busy and today is gonna be somewhat busy, but I'm working double shift, and it's the reason why I couldn't start the vlog yesterday, but I come to start it today. Now, if you have watched the video last week, drop a comment down below. Let me know that you actually watched it and what was your biggest takeaway from the video. I may go back to the same mall because somebody want me to bring them, and then I also need to start packing the barrel. I don't know if I have enough time, because the thing when you go with people, you actually waste more time, right? And I really want to go to Walmart to buy someone for something. Not only that, I need to find like a Sam's or those stores, those grocery store that you can shop in bulk. If not, a Walmart, I have to do it, because right now buying in Walmart is better than buying things in Jamaica. So for whoever gets in the barrel, I know that it will be grateful and it's actually worth it. I'm on my way to work, as you see. I really don't like to work this venue during lunch, but dinner is fine. The reason for this, hey, if you know someone else around, out here cold, right? The reason why I don't like working lunch is because all of the side work comes down in the middle. You have to be running food, you have to be responsible for your table. Like, there's so much work in this venue at lunchtime. So yeah, anyway, I'll catch you later. Guys, I'm being a big slump today, and I said that I wasn't going to vlog like this because I want you guys to have like exciting clip of me not just being in the house walking to work. I wasn't going to pick up the camera. Anyway, I have work at 4:30, and I am so glad that I got to stay home. Like, I didn't have to wake up 9 o'clock today. And 9 o'clock may sound late. Hold on. 9 o'clock sound late. But let me tell you, when you work up until like 11 o'clock, and then you get home, shower, eat something, and probably just say, alright, you go watch something. Like, I go to my bed like probably 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock every night. So 9 o'clock is like early for me. You understand? And I always give myself like 1 hour to get ready and to get to work. So work start 10 o'clock, I'm up 9 o'clock. So everything I have to do within that 9 o'clock, between 9 to 10 to get to work and reach on time. So I'm just glad today that I didn't have to get up 9 o'clock, and we actually get up 9:30. I try to lie down back and sleep, and then I get up back about 10 something, and I've been watching like YouTube. I'm presently watching Media Girl Ash. Maybe not many of you know about her. She's a small YouTuber. I don't know, I just like watching her, and I guess because for me as a small YouTuber, I like to support small YouTubers, and I may not comment on their videos, and the reason for that is because I'm watching on my TV most time, so I can't really comment, you understand? And this is why I understand when my views are up and my comments are down. I know some people don't have like the keyboard readily to text, if you understand, or to type. So I understand that. But I've been watching Media Girl since, I think it's been 2 to 3 years now. Yeah, I think when she just started, I started watching her, and I think we had communicated 1 and 2 times. I don't know, but she's now in Japan. I don't know how she reached there, but she's working in Japan. Maybe it's like an exchange teaching program, something, I don't know. But I just like the fact that, you know, she's carrying us around Japan. She's not showing us everything, but I just like the whole cultural shock and change that she shows us. Yeah, so that's why I'm watching her. As I said, I wasn't going to take up the vlog because we look like crap, I sound like crap. But tomorrow I'm going on the road. Me and the guys going on the road. The one that you saw in the previous clip, one is off and one is working 4. So, and then, you know, the car will reach back at 4. So we're just gonna get dressed, get ready, and probably go back to the mall and go Walmart because we definitely want to go Walmart. Who does that call me? Sit there, him a call. Answer phone. Hello? Hello? Why?
You know one person named Gainesville?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
But I thought Greenville no.
Me hear about it, but I don't know which part it there.
Oh, no man, I brought it and tell me say, oh, you think we don't know what they and everything from the cheap sweater, Nike, all Navy and thing, man. But I don't give them weird, don't say I'm a child.
What? Franklin?
I don't know for Franklin.
We can't go so far.
I don't think of Franklin, brother.
Which?
I think say no, the journey no long.
Wait, mall name?
Gainesville or something, even if she pronounce the road right there, what for that?
So you forget message and can't relate, right? That makes sense.
Yeah.
And you interrupt my vlog after me I tell my vlog, so we go on the road and you just call me in between.
Look up in and say, alright, look up fine one and call me.
Exactly. That's what you should have before you call me.
Alright.
Hey, they don't say without no patience, you know, without no manners, you know. They will call me because they want to go mall. They want to buy stuff. Right? Which we don't mind because being inside every day, it's boring. Now, the car can't go too far. Right? That them not understand. And every time we are borrow the car, we have to tell them where we're going. So he wants to go to Gainesville. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. I'm going to vlog that. I wanted to start the vlog tomorrow because every time we start the vlog, we inside of me, I walk by the other in the room. Like I want something different. Like I don't want something different. I don't want something different. And then you see, I've been judging my vlogs because I just feel like it's boring. You guys always say that it's boring and boring and boring and boring. I just feel like it's boring. But I've been like watching other people vlog, comparing and saying that, oh, I think me I do like a better job. Not only that, I feel like when me watch some other people vlog and the amount of people that edit for them, I'm like, you know, I can do this, I can do this, I can do that. But the thing is, I don't have time. I don't have time because. Say for instance, right, I have my 2 days off, right? If me for edit, I have to definitely sacrifice something. So like tomorrow I'm going on the road. Obviously, I cannot really edit tomorrow unless it's after 4. And then by the time I come home, pack out whatever I need to pack out, shower and eat, you know, that gonna take like one next 2 hours. And I just want to relax after that. So the next day now, when we're supposed to cook, right? Because I always take one day for cook, which means I use 2 days for cook because I the one like a day may have half days, and my other days may have double shift. You get what I say? So it's kind of hard to edit. So when I edit and I give it to Uno, it's like I'm not 100% pleased, but I think it's good enough. So I cannot do that jump clip, all those memes and all those stuff to make it the video pop. So I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, sorry. I promise you it will get better. And right now, me even not looking to saying that I need a laptop. I probably need to take out my laptop, clean it off, and see if I can fix it. Maybe that me need to do. And I think something wrong with the battery though. Change the battery and everything so that I can use, what do you call it again? Adobe Premiere Pro. Because I love CapCut and everything, but it's annoying sometimes, especially on the tablet. And this is the reason I only buy the tablet. I don't buy the tablet because they say it would be easier. Because I thought that I could put Premiere Pro and all this stuff on it. But little did I know I cannot. Right? I cannot. So now I'm practically waiting until the next series come out so that I can trade that in and get the laptop instead. And then probably in the event, in the latter part, like if I need it like for school and work or whatever, I can buy a smaller tablet because the tablet is big. I bought the tablet big because me I say alright, I can use it to edit. But I never look into the pros and the cons. I have like practically 2 hours, maybe no, less than 2 hours. I have like an hour and a half. Let me see. Let me check the. I have 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours and 9 minutes to get up and get ready for work. I set the alarm for 2:30. For 3:30, I'm supposed to reach at work. 4:30. It is raining, but I have an umbrella. So when I'm on my way to work, I'll pick you guys up. Okay. On my way to work, in my gray sweater that I brought the other week. You may be asking, why am I wearing gray sweater as opposed to the company sweater? We know you didn't ask still, but we just want to tell you. So yesterday I wore it to work, right? And I work double shift as always, and I put it in my locker, and I hang it up. I remember yesterday that I hang it up because when I hang it up, it dropped down. I'm gonna put it back up and it drop again. So you know you gotta remember because you say, oh, this family is why I keep on a drop. And then when I hang it up, I put up my bag and it dropped down again. Understand? So I said, no man, something wrong. So I put up the bag and the sweater and it hung up. I'm gonna close my locker. I close my locker, correct, and went on my locker for my bag. And I did not take up my sweater because you know that cold, and even if it's cold, I just up the road me I go in the cafeteria. So we don't really need to use my sweater. You know, say last night when I go in my locker, I took up my sweater because I said probably me walk home and I gonna need it. Sweater gone, jacket gone, not sweater, jacket gone. I wonder who bright, so I go in my locker and took up my jacket. But I'm my fault still not because I never really lock my locker. I have locker, I just put the lock over it because I can't bother for put in the code. And right now I don't think I remember the code. Too long I don't use the code. So I just put the lock over it. Like whoever take up my jacket, I need it back. So I wear this. And I kinda like it, I'm feeling it. Because the other one is just big and odious. Anyway, I'm walking to work. I'm kind of early, but I'm walking to work. Feel nice, and it was raining today, and I'm so glad I had the morning off. I don't know if it was busy. I'm gonna go with the intention to do no only per side work because the morning team them lazy. You get me? And every time we go as dinner shift, I feel the one bag of side work. I don't know. I don't like this. The place just look like a whole scary movie. No, sir. The place just bleak and the camera quality just now up there. Even though it better on this as opposed to your phone. But anyway, I'm telling you this that I go up on the road. So I go work tonight, go home and make sure I get rest because I try to get up at 7 o'clock so that I can get ready and go on a walk. I go pick up the car so we can leave out exactly 8 o'clock so we can maximize on the time. So that is the plan for tomorrow. Now, they don't know what they're going to do yet because they must say mall. I mean, I tell them say one mall today, but they come like they want to go on a different mall. But they in Gainesville, something like so. But me Google it and it's not too far. And yeah, so I'm gonna just go and try it and make it over to work. Good morning. Good morning. It is a blessed day. You are blessed. I am blessed. We are all blessed. No, today is going to be a great day for you. It's going to be a great day for me. It's going to be a great day for everyone. If you believe it, just receive it. Alright, today is going to be a good day. No, even though the forecast say rain, guess what? The showers of blessing. Yes. So right now I'm on my way to go and collect the car because, as I said before, we're going on the road. I'm trying on my day off to go places. No, it's nothing new, but I do have some company. We're going to go to the mall again and Walmart again. Right? So that is what we're going to do today. But whenever I'm alone, I want to see if I can do things on my own. Okay, so this is my hair. I love it. Rocking my natural hair. I'm just gonna go and get the car, and then you know the dupes. Check out back with you next time. Okay, next time. Okay, next time.
If you're tryna find love, know it's hard to keep. Even when it get tough and you wanna leave, take a look into your eyes where I find reason. Yeah, writing love letters with my broken English. Can't say what it said. I'm wishing you well. Set the time and place and I'll meet you there. Be right there, be right. I'll be right. Stumbling up the stairs, please come my knee.
So I was gonna go back and take the other car. If you see though in the clip before is a 2-door Honda Civic, but then I remember that I have 2 other person coming with me, so it don't make no sense because if we do that, then every minute we'd have to go pull back one of the seat. So next time when I'm coming, then I'll take that one. That car is nicer. Now I would know why the girl them always take the car there. The car is nice and it look cleaner, honestly. So next time I'm gonna take that one. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna pick up the boys. I was just thinking based on looks, let me take that one because it looks good. It looks good. Wait, if I park the car, I never put on the handbrake. I run to the car wash, you know. It just a while ago, me forget which side of the road we drive part. Because the thing is, now we driving here and driving in Jamaica, you get confused because you know one drive on the right and one drive on the left. So with the year, I wonder like, which side of the road we drive on? But then we remember, say you turn out and go. So yeah, I'm upon good standing. So right now, I'm gonna go for the boys. I feel like more of the brings off the car. And I wonder if money right now if we rinse off the car costs more than fee. If we didn't have one hose, I'd use the hose and wash it off. Can't bother here, man. I wipe off here, so can't bother do all this shit. The dirty car. Go for my phone. The person who parked the car before never park it properly. So I go from back and text them and say, oh, ready. So we reach early and we have to find food because the mall not open yet because we reach before 10. So we're there I find food.
This ain't Burger King, man.
I see one of manners around. Don't bend up
And
no, bro, I don't want.
just mayo and the sauce.
Yeah.
Mayo and the teriyaki. Yeah. Did you want olives? I'm sorry. No olives.
We're not trying to eat healthy right now. She's trying to eat healthy.
That's not healthy, it just tastes good.
Tastes good?
Is this all you want?
Yeah.
Do you want me to wrap them separate? Or
Yeah, wrap
stay?
it separate.
I'm gonna need you to stay right there.
Look at me, say something here look nice. Ooh, look for me here, look for me here. So we could probably just go over the mall and sit down. Or sit down in the car and eat it. Go over the mall first and then sit down in the car and eat it. That is what we're gonna do. So you get blessing when you give.
So me now always give.
Nope. Yeah, it's an yam. So we're in Ralph Lauren. This is for $95. Now I'm buying that Nini's because Nini's are too expensive right now. It's not that I cannot buy it, but I just chose not to. Anyway, we reach back at the mall and then something drop on my clothes left in the seat. Yeah, me name bad. I was just in here and look. I don't really want nothing in here. Nothing really grab me in a polo. You buy something? Yeah. Okay. Rich. This nice thing?
It's not expensive.
It's a baseball jacket.
I'm not $20.
You expect polo. You buy shirt? $29 for them cheapy. How come you wouldn't see them so cheap?
$29.
$29. See them there?
Then the price
And $39. So all woman them one so expensive.
They might have sales.
No, this not right. The man them have sale over the woman them I pay $100 and $800 for them.
In this section.
Look at this. This is cute. I love this.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. See this?
And this is approved as a carry-on, this one. And this one is approved to be put in the overhead. So you wouldn't have to check the luggage.
I love it. It's cute.
Yeah, you wouldn't have to check your luggage.
How much is it? I don't need a carry-on because I already have, but it's just cute.
Yes, it is. And it's great that it has the pocket to hold it on here. How much is the luggage with the carry-on? How much is the rolling luggage with the carry-on bag?
Once you pay the $40, the over $40,
You
okay.
can get any of these.
So it doesn't really matter how much? Or is it just one?
No, sweetie, you can get as many as you want.
Okay, come.
That's what I'm saying. Don't
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so listen, guys.
Yeah, I got it.
Listen to me. You're going out of town. You're going to see family, right? Okay, you got to bring gifts. I mean, that's what it's all about. Christmas is coming. What the heck is wrong with y'all? Okay, come here. Come on over here.
Oh, we don't want anymore.
What do you want? Listen, I got some for $15 and $20.
We're good. We have to save money for the next store.
Oh, no, honey. You going, I know you finna buy something. We ain't saving no money for this. Okay.
Trying every one of these.
Okay, good deal.
No, you can put it in the same bag.
We live the same place, but I don't know why she
Don't want to pay for it.
don't want to pay for
Because I
it.
don't trust you.
Okay.
I would rather trust Jackson.
I hope when you go to the rest of the store, you don't trust me.
I'm not going to trust you. Hey, remember last week? That when I chat too much. Remember last week? Last week, me coming now, I'm in and out and all of the store. I know they might take forever. They might take forever to buy stuff. And then the thing say, woman take long to shop. Then you want to take long to shop.
That's much better.
Then I want to take long to shop. Let's look at the shoes. Come here. Make me spend money. Next time I don't come out to do no.
You trying to what for me? Yeah, spending now. We are time to spend.
Yeah, but you not stop me. You see me, ching, like me and money.
You see I got bad time body work.
Exactly. I'm not even reach this
I'm
yet.
gonna spend too much in there.
Oh, wait one.
That's that.
Oh,
Oh man, this is
it's nice, eh?
nice, man.
This would look good with my clothes right now.
Right now.
Right now, $79. Me have too much shoes now.
How much was that?
Too much.
I have 6 pairs of shoes. So I have around 10 on my father.
No, me have about 20 pair.
Okay, we do.
Yeah. Come me buy shoes. Why everybody want to have a New Balance? What is so hype about New Balance? I don't even like it. What would I just, slippers?
Yeah.
I did that slippers? Slippers there, sir? You're blind. Which are this? I said this is cheap. The easy them. $49.
No, I fake on man.
I fake one, but I Nike fake.
This is different from the one you have on the.
You want a Nike for $400. The easy one different from the Nike one.
Easy different. So like that. No,
Yeah, but that the original Nike one.
Let me take this one.
We always buy them in. Always them look
Yeah,
nice.
them for about
$34.
no.
Buy some one Jesus slippers. Come. Remember, say we are with the time crunch. If you're not buying anything, come out.
Making us so nervous.
Come look, Brown. No, I own no black. Look there, you can't barely see it. Smile, Nandi. Smile.
Black Friday.
Black Friday.
that Friday? Not Friday.
No, you idiot, that you are Black Friday.
You're going to suffer.
Because we say we are going there.
Lock.
What a thing.
12 p.m. What's still open at 12 p.m.?
Then gonna vote. Will be all then gonna vote. Yeah, then gonna vote. They want either.
So, part 2 nice man, by this splash man.
Can go back over there before we leave.
That's not cheap, you know?
Oh, man. Eh? Yeah. I want to can go. If you get for below you out last night, this morning, it can go.
So, like, down the bottom this place, eh?
You know, listening now. Why you cuss bad on me? Kicking your body.
So, we have
Don't cuss the bad on me, son. Don't cuss the bad on. I'm one kicking your seed. Your reproductive organ. But I'm kicking your body, nobody can use it.
What do you mean I use it for money?
Thank you. Come back in here if you say we could have find the jacket something. We just done. Alright, you get the thing.
Your total's 55.
Just wait till you turn on the Wi-Fi and get the I think you're a pretty fierce right now.
Hey, they can't go on like them husband and wife say I pay customer goes through this. So they have customer who have app for who not have app. Jaja. Anyway, buy something again. So this is why I don't like to go on the road. The next time I'm going to leave I got to call for something off my phone and I'm going to leave my wallet so I don't hear them on there. You hear them? Hear them? Anyway, we're going on to the next store. We want to leave here like 1 o'clock. It is now 11:22. No, what is really saving me from buying a lot of stuff is the fact that I don't want to take off my clothes and try on anything. So, for instance, I want jeans. I don't want to take off my clothes and try it. Yeah, look at this outfit. Oh God, I'm going to buy this. But not today. Right. And then this is the top, how it looks. And then you buy the bottom for that. That would be a nice, we call it a nice airport. And then this go all the way around. Oh, this is so cute. I really like it. Nice airport. And then if you want the bottom that is like have the crunch, you can get that. But these are more in style now. And then they have different color. They have the blue. Well, these are sweater, but are the same like style. Ooh. Same style, but they have the hoodie. Yeah, woman?
Yeah. For them.
Baby, a Merry Christmas, Christmas. You hear that? It's Christmas, you know? A Merry special Christmas for me. Baby, Christmas for me. Merry Christmas, guys. If I don't get to tell you, I'm telling you right now. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Greetings!
Greetings from across the world. Who you want to send greetings to? They not listen to me. This is my fit. This pants is from Zara. Shoes from Nike. And sweater from Savage X20. Watch from Samsung. Purse from Michael Kors. Ring and bracelet from Pandora. This cleave something. No, my sister gave it to me. I don't know where it's from. But yeah, that's my fit. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Dreaming of a white Christmas. shaking it. Dream come true.
All my life I was looking for a sign. Wasn't sure where to find a peace of mind. Sometimes you can.
It's Christmas, y'all. Look at that Christmas tree. So I reached back home and I just want to show you all the things that I bought today. Here's everything that I bought. So I'm just gonna start off with the perfume store. Now these two are from Ariana Grande. This is the big size one. Now I have this, and I'm gonna link all whatever I can in my Amazon storefront, and then I'm going to put the link in the description below. So this is Ariana Grande. This one I really love it. Like I really like it. I have one and it's finished, and I like this is my everyday cologne. This and the other one my everyday cologne. Now I don't really like sweet flavor, like fruity flavor. I like something more, no, feminine, more floral. But here it is, and this is how it looks. The one that I have before finished, so I just bought this one to restock, because you know some of cologne, right? And this is the Ariana Grande Cloud. These two are my everyday cologne. Go to. This now smells refreshing, like you just bathed. Like it smells so refreshing. I have the body mist and I have the small lotion, because I got a set too. And then the cologne always on, because me ever just a spray. So that is, you know, me always talk about it. If you're there from long time, when I would know about it. Went to Nike again, and then I saw some stuff on clearance and I bought some stuff. So you know it's getting cold, so I got this sweatsuit, because remember I bought one the other day and it never fit, so I bought this one from Nike, and I always wanted like a Nike suit. I only bought the pants because it was on sale. And how much was it on sale for? I don't know, but I think I paid like $40 something in Nike. And then I bought this top, just in case I want to wear this and this, yeah. And then it's Nike. I'm trying to get into my brand again, and both of them are medium. Now this is $29 plus the discount, plus the 15% discount. So yeah, you get what I'm saying. I got a lot of discounts. So that's from Nike. And then I went into, I think it was Old Navy. Where was it? Old Navy, I don't remember. This is for $7.99. You know, a little cutesy earring, just in case, you know, you dress up and you just want this little thing. You know, silver is my thing. Then I go into American Eagle. You know, American Eagle kind of have one of the best jeans. So I bought 2 jeans, and I try not to buy any cut up jeans, but I bought this wide leg jeans, like it's called baggy wide jeans. It's a drape jeans. So I can, yeah, I don't have any of this, so I buy that. And then I buy a black one. Now the black one fits so good. No, that one fits so good. Now this one, I don't know if it's gonna fit me, because I tried it on in 6 and it was a little bit big, but I tried the one there in 4, but the one that's stretchy and it fit. So let's see, I don't know if it will fit me. That's it. Alright, I went into Bath and Body Works again to buy back the candle, the same candle from last week. I bought it because yesterday I lit it and I forgot to unlight it when I was going to work and it burned out. But I still have a lot, you know. And then yeah, I still have a lot, but yeah, but this one, the intense one, and I think the one that I have is not the intense one. So this is the intense one, and there was another one that I was gonna buy, the pumpkin spice something another. That smells so good, but there was only one, and the person that I went with bought that one. And then I went into Rule 21, and I think I spent like, how much is that spend? This is, I spent like $33 on everything that's in this bag. Right, $33. Let me show you what's in there. So I got this makeup brush, makeup something. You know me not do makeup, but you know, yeah. Bought that because eventually I'm gonna need it. And I bought 3 of these tops. So this is one, and I love the material. Like I really love it. Like yeah, it's a USA, and I wasn't even looking on what's there, but I bought that, and I said 3 of those. So this is the next one. This one's a Paris. Alright, this one's a Paris. And then this one now is like a teddy bear. And I really buy them because I was like, okay, this can wear in my Coach bag and whatever, my cross bag. And it can wear with the shoes. Like I was looking at those stuff. And then I bought this now. So I can wear with the black pants. This is my oversized shirt. Yeah, bought that with Betty Boo on it. And then that's all I got. So I'll show you all the things that I bought at the mall. I went to Walmart, but you don't really need to see what I got from Walmart. It's just like a top up of groceries. I spent like $50 something, probably less. This is what I got from Amazon. Might as well give you an unboxing since I'm already here. I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got here, right? This is some hair. You know, you need to see that. And I got this thing for my hair is a mousse. This is like one of the cheapest and good mousse that I use. And then I got a chain because my Pandora something chain. So what I want to do, I'm gonna wear this and then take off the pendant of the Pandora chain and just wear this until I reach to a Pandora store. But at the same silver chain, not gonna make a difference. Same silver chain. I can't say chain. Same silver chain. Jaja. So I don't think I like it. Let me show you how it look. I'm gonna wear it still because I've been longing for a chain. It's like a box thing. Let me see if I can show you. I don't like how it looks. It looks something like that. But I'm gonna rock it for now. And then I got a lint remover because some of my clothes them then have the little lint something them, and then the sheet have it. So I bought a lint remover and I need this anyway. So it's not a waste. Because as I say, some of the clothes like this, whenever I wash them or we wear them too long, even my top my sweater that I wore last week, it have, you know, the lint them, yeah. So I bought a remover, and then this one is chargeable, and it comes with 2 blades. Alright, so I guess that's extra blades. It comes with a charging cable. Hey, I have so much of this cable, and right now I can sell them. And then it comes with instructions and the brush. And a brush to brush it out. Comes with that. And the instruction in there. And these stuff. And then this is how it looks. This is how it looks. And then the button is right here. Turn it on. And then it have different speed. It is 86% now. Alright. And then it turn off. and then it get collecting here, and then yeah, I'm gonna have so much fun doing this. So like, ooh, nice. Right now, we need to fix this. Like do it on the bed because. Alright, I'm gonna show you. I'll show you the bed. Alright, so don't mind my laptop on the bed. Here is some links. Here, do you see them? Here they. Ooh. If I take them off. Alright, look at this closely. Look at that. Ooh. So it's brand new again. Brand new again. Look. And then if you see in here, it collect all the lint, and then I would empty it like. Look at all the lint it already take up. Ooh. Look at that. All the lint already. Look. Yeah. So I'm going to leave this in my Amazon because I got this on Amazon. So I'm going to leave this in my Amazon. And it was very affordable. Very affordable. Something that you really need and feel it brand new again. I can do this and just sell back a sheet. I can do that and then sell back the sheet. Yeah, so I'm just going to tidy up the place because the place is kind of messy right now. And then I'm going to get something to eat and then edit this video. Probably take out some, maybe I can cook or something. I don't know. Or maybe if we do it tomorrow. But we don't really want it in the kitchen all day. I mean, if we just do it tonight and then just chill. Maybe. Finally finished tidying up the place. I wanted to go and wash, but every time I want to wash, the washer and dryer I use. So I may have to wash tonight. I'm going to leave it until tonight when everybody gone in bed and just wash. Like when I'm off tomorrow. All I had today was Subway, and as I was coming back home, they stopped at Subway again. And the reason why we stopped at Subway is because Subway is in Walmart and we didn't want to had additional time going somewhere else. But it didn't make sense. We didn't go somewhere else still because the woman in the Subway take forever. Not only that, we already had Subway, and then McDonald's was on the way, Burger King was on the way. So we should just stop and just go Burger King. But it's because we don't really know the place. We never really did know say Burger King was on the way. We could have just do that. What else? It is election day today, and do you want to know my 2 cents? I don't really follow politics, I really don't, but I can just give you my 2 cents based on what I've heard over the years and my experience, and as it relates to H2Bs and so forth, because I know many of you are probably wondering, like, if Trump win, what gonna happen? If Kamala win, what gonna happen? Based on observation and based on what has been happening in the past and the little things that I heard, right? Now, for America, Trump is better for America, right? But for those outside of the country like we, Kamala would be a little bit better. Everything rose, like prices of everything. The trucking people, them are complain when Joe Biden came into power because everything rise, right? No, Trump is a businessman and him understand business and all this stuff. No, because the change from Trump to Joe Biden, everything raised, the tax raise, food prices raise, and because of all of that raise, those who get stuff from America is feeling it. Now, they are saying that whenever he comes back in power, that is Trump, and things will go back to normal. So for that, I would say Trump is better. Now, as it relates to those who are outside, him heavy pan closing off the border and all those stuff. No, if you think about it logically, you know, if I'm in a country and I live in America and this is my country, me did born here, so I would want to protect my country too, because there, you know what I mean, no? So you have whole heap of people that come across the border, a whole heap of Mexican that come across the border, and not only that, if them even did not come across the border to better themselves, some of them are come across the border and them come in a crime, them are the drugs, them are make the country worse instead of making the country better. So why wouldn't you want to fix that? When I was on J1, I came on J1 in 2017, and I think Trump won the election in 2018. Now, if it is that it was going to affect us as H2B or J1 or whatever, I wouldn't be able to come back on the program. The fact that I came on the program legally, Trump closing off the border now going to affect us because we are legally coming into the country, and they cannot do without us. Because if it is that in coming at power and say, you know what, we're going to be done with H2B, we're going to be done with J1, then the country will crash, because that many Americans want to work. Americans want to do the work that we do, so they need us. Now, if we are coming to the country legally, then I'm not gonna have no issue with that. But if we are come illegally and we are jump across the border and we are come and create mischief, of course, me would have a problem with that too, right? I'm not saying that I'm saying Trump. I'm not saying that I'm saying Kamala, but the reason why I'm talking on Trump is because many people don't want Trump to win. No, the Americans want Trump to win because they feel that Trump will come back and put the structure back into place and they make everything kind of normalize, right? As it relates to the trucking business, they're not getting loaded, not getting the right amount of pay for them load. Food gone up, food prices gone up, things gone up, and the pay no go up. You get me? I say. So in that sense, Trump are going because American want Trump to win. Now, for those who don't want Trump to win, would that be like people were outside the country, the Mexican, the Jamaicans, them were illegal, or people where want a woman in power, or people who want things to loosen up even more. I go want Kamala for win. I don't really care about politics. I'm just giving my 2 cents. And today I was in Walmart and I was looking at the price, and this man said to me, "Oh, this expensive though." I say, "Yeah." And he said, "Joe Biden do it." So you don't know what that means. Him vote for Trump. Him say he voted for Trump. So it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can eat something, which is the Subway. I took out the wings so that I'm gonna cook tomorrow. Tonight I'm going to wash. I'm gonna ensure someone wash tonight. I'm off tomorrow, and then I need to edit tomorrow, because after tomorrow you have Friday, then Saturday, and I have enough clips, so I'm not gonna put no one bag of other clips in here. So I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay? Guys, this is one of the struggles that I face on the H2 program, and not all the time, it's just this time around. When I was in, how we used to wash, I think at Maine we had a washing machine, and it wasn't really much of a problem because many people, we had different days off. In Mandarin, they used to wash our uniform for us, and we could have go downstairs after certain hours and use the industrial washing machine and wash. No, sometimes it was an issue because sometimes you go downstairs, you have people using the washing machine. When I was in Virginia, it wasn't bad because it was just like 6 of us in the house. We had different days off. In Vermont, it was just me and my roommate that was living in that apartment, and we never had no issue as it relates to washing clothes because we work different shift, and even so she wash on her day off and me like to wash before my days off. So I like today, me would have done wash long time from last night. my issue is that now here so because there are so much people there here so, and I can't understand how so much people gone and I still have an issue as to relate to using the washing machine. Now they have a lot of machines here, you know. So in the one that I use that is right here, they have 3 washers and 3 dryers. Only 2 washers working and only 1 dryer working. Now somebody is using the dryer, I am using the machine, and the person, I timed them, literally timed them. I timed them, the thing was on 1 hour and 50 minutes. I'm saying, okay, I'll go back 1 hour and 50 minutes. I'm not even going to use the washing machine because I don't want my clothes to be in the washing machine and then somebody take it out, because they've been doing that and that's annoying me. I don't like it when people touch my clothes, right? So I say, alright, I'm tired. When I go there, I say, okay, yeah, blah, about 15 minutes left. By the time I put my clothes in the washing machine, your thing I go done dry. You get me? No, the thing is, you have different mood on the thing. They put it on green. When you put it on red, that means that it dry with heat. Now it come like them don't understand or them just like it like that. I don't know. I never used the other mode before. So it seems like it never dry properly. I don't know. Or them just want to annoy me. Or them wait too long and the clothes get cold. So they feel like say, you know, dry. So them restart it. So now my clothes don't dry, wash. And now I want it to dry. I can't get it to dry. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put up my wet clothes in the room overnight and let them dry. I did it before and it dry. I don't know if this is going to work because this is heavy jeans and I have the jacket and all this stuff, but I'm going to end up and let them dry. So that is one of my struggles that I have on this program, HUB program. Like, I don't have the freedom to use my own stuff. You get me? So it kind of rough because I don't have nothing to put it on. So the other day, all I did was to catch them like so. So I'm going to do that, catch them up, put them up this or whatever, and turn on the heat, make them dry overnight. That is what I'm going to do. Now, guess what, guys? I found my jacket. When I went to work, because I complained to the manager, I was like, someone went in my locker and took out my jacket, and I know it was in there. I know me not get mad. And one moment in time now I was questioning myself and to see maybe I did take it out and I went at the lunchroom and I forget in the lunchroom. That was what I was thinking. I was like, maybe that's the case. But me I said, no man, I would never wear a lunchroom because it's not cold and then lunchroom not so far, so I need to put on a jacket. So I know say somebody gonna be locker. Alright? And I know I wear it in the morning. I know I wear it in the morning. For sure. See how these just now? No more waiting in the morning. But go and work yesterday and then put it back in my locker. Put it back in the locker, so come like somebody go in my locker and borrow it. So now I have to see if I can buy one lock for Amazon because I don't want to use the lock that they give me. And the reason they give me a code number, I can't put in the code every minute. They never want to keep me just so boom and done. And if you understand me, yes. So these pants, I'm going to carry them back tomorrow. So we just want, oh not this one is good. So I'm going to just hang up this. I only have 1 pants practically, so I'm going to carry back them tomorrow and get some new pants. Now size, what size is? Size 6 fit me, so I'm going to get a size 6. The other one them, catches them tear out. So, see the other one there? Tear. And I don't want it to embarrass me at work. So, just gonna put it over here so it can go and dry. It smells really good. Pebbles all the way. Let's just hang up this and call it a night. Oh, me have some more clothes in the dryer. By then, in clothes supposed to don't dry so we can use it. And sorry if you are seeing between my leg. But yeah. By then it's supposed to done drying clothes so we can use it. So anyway, just do an update you and tell me this dress. And so I'm be out there, so we ain't gone. Let's see, I'm going up this so. If you can see. Going up this so. Can't see. See my water in there, shadow gone. Guys, today is a day that I just want to chill. I cooked and I packaged out my I packaged my food for like the next 2 days and lunch. Not only that, I'm now treating my hair because I feel like, you know what, I'm not gonna go into this whole braiding thing. I'm just gonna take care of my hair. I'm gonna take care of it because like my edges, I like how it look, and my hair getting thin, but I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix that back. So what I did, I made my my hair protein like I always do when I know it's thin. So yeah, I made my hair protein with aloe vera, egg, and some azelaic powder and all those stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it steam now, wash it out, and then show you how it look tomorrow, because I'm just gonna twist it up tonight and then wear it tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm just gonna update to say, yo, today is just one of those days and just a focus for myself. Alright? What guys talk about? You know, it's fun to think about. I know guys, got them stuck, guys like what, I know, let me see that you do. No, I don't. I'm telling you, I don't. Got me doing things I'll never do. If you ain't been, I'm telling you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Looking for a cutie pie. I could call you my baby boy. You could call me your baby girl. And if I get your phone number, I'ma call you, and we can meet up the next day and chill. But right? Sunshine, I could call you my baby boy. I really like what you do to me. I was like, good gracious ass. I'm on my way to work. Today is Thursday, and I know I have a lot of clip in the video, so I'm not going to even make today long. But I just want to update you that, yeah, today is Thursday and this is how my hair turns out. It didn't come out like how I actually want it, but it's better than nothing. Tomorrow I'm going to close off the vlog, and we're kind of pleased with the editing this time around. It's not 100, but it's better than last week. Like I get to put in some music, I get to put in some other stuff I never put in last week. So I'm kind of pleased with that. Hopefully next week is better. Next week I think I'm going to go on the road myself. My schedule should be coming out this week, so I don't know if I'm actually going to go Wednesday, but normally Wednesday I get my day off. But every time you plan, something change, and I hope it don't change. So not like that. So I'm just going to take my way and walk through this lonely road and this scary road. Yeah. So this is the clip you saw before. It not all that scary, but it's creepy, especially at night. It's very creepy. Tonight I'm in charge of the wine room. Let me show you how it looks, okay? Guys, my hair is just so nice. Like, it looks so childish, and I think it fit me. It's so cute. Like, you don't want to see it. Like, look, I like it. Makes me look a little bit younger. Yeah, so that's my hair right now. But today's Thursday, I think. Yeah, today's Thursday, and the outside venue for next week closes officially this weekend. So we're gonna clean up Monday, and I'm going to work in the Hummingbird next week for one day, and then the rest of it is going to be inside. So you're gonna see me wearing black. You're gonna see me wearing black for most of the week, and yeah, because even in the Hummingbird we wear black, so you're gonna see me wearing black all day. So that's what's happening next week. I'm just come because I want to close off the vlog tonight, because I think I have like over 1 hour, I'm not sure, but I have a good amount of clip. But if anything happens tomorrow, I'll let you know. But I'm gonna work double shift again, so I'm just gonna close out the vlog, edit the vlog, so tomorrow night I can do the fine-tuning, like put in the Amazon storefront link, the stuff that I bought. I put all the links in the description so that you guys can find it. Today was a good day. I worked in the wine garden, and a girl called out, so there was supposed to be 3 of us as girls, 3 Jamaican girls. I was like, yes, it's gonna be a good day. It was raining all week, but today it only drew for just like 10 minutes, and then it stopped, and then it started again for 5 minutes, and then it stopped. And for the whole day it was overcast. It wasn't cold, it wasn't hot, it was just perfect. And we had a steady, it wasn't busy, but it wasn't slow, it was very steady. And the fact that the girl didn't come, it make it even better that each of us can at least walk away with a good amount of money for lunch. For dinner, I had the wine room. It was really chill. I got good amount of money. Like, it was a great day. That's all I'm gonna say. It was a great day. I also came home and I bought another barrel, because I decided that, you know what, whenever you're packing a barrel, even though you want to send 1 barrel, more time you buy more stuff. I bought some oxtail, because the other day I cooked oxtail and it was so nice, and I had to buy it. About £2, and then one of the guy buy 1 extra pound on it, so it's £3 of oxtail. So yeah, and then Sunday, not Sunday coming, but the other Sunday, I work half day, so I can cook a Sunday dinner. I can cook my Sunday dinner, and then I got my Wednesday off. So guess what, guys? I am going on the road, and I'm going to go to Walmart and buy stuff for the barrel, start to pack the barrel, and I'm going to let you guys know. I think I may just do a separate video for that, but you know, you're going to have like clippings in this vlog, but I want to do a separate video for that, to let you know the breakdown and everything like that, so you guys can follow along with that. As I said before, I just want to close off the vlog. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure having all of you here. For all of my new subbies, welcome to the channel. Alright, for all of my old peeps, you know, I love you a long time. Don't you forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend to come over here, so because over here we share H2B lifestyle, not only H2B lifestyle but my lifestyle. You're gonna see the good, the bad, and you're gonna see all my vacation, everything like that. Alright, I am coming back, and I feel like, yes, I'm getting into it now. Once I created this habit again to vlogging daily, then I'll go back to my information page, which is V-La-Nessa, and give you more information. So yeah, it's a great week, and I love how this video is coming out, and I pray that next week is going to be so much better. And for those who watch to the end of this video, I pray for you. I pray that God grant you your heart desire. I pray that everything that you want, it will come to pass. I pray that anything that you're struggling with, that you will overcome it. I pray that anything that you want, that you will get it. Remember that the Bible said, knock and it will be open unto you. So everything that you're knocking on, the door will be open. The Bible said to ask and you will receive. So I pray that everything that you ask God for, that He will pour it out and give it to you. The Bible said to seek and you will find. So if you're looking for your husband, you're looking for opportunities, you're looking for a way out, I pray that God will show you the light. I pray that your storeroom basket is never empty. I pray that God pour into your cup and it overflows. I pray that God guide, keep you. I pray that this week will be your week and next year is your year. And I pray that at the ending of this year, you'll reap everything that you want. Alright, so just trust in God and type amen, receive it, claim it. Not many people reach this far, so whoever reached this far, you may talk. Yes, this prayer is definitely for you. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure having you here, and I'll see you next week. Bye.